You want something to do?
Babe, can you record me doing something so it looks like I helped out with this freaking shed?
Yeah, you did.
Come here, babe. Record me doing something. Come on. Come on, let's switch the camera. Come on.
Seriously.
Come on, babe. Record me putting something up.
Yeah.
So people know that I'm hardworking too. Here.
You help a lot.
Here, babe. Here.
What are you gonna be recording yourself doing?
Does it look like I put it together?
Yeah, you did. You did all the work. Actually, what you can do is put this in there.
No. Do I have to?
Take that.
No, that looks too hard.
Stick it and put it in
No,
there.
it looks too hard.
But it was easy to take down, huh?
Does that look hardworking enough?
Yeah, it does. Good job.
All right, now here you go. Have your tool back.
Thank you.
I hope I was able to help out.
I don't even know what you did.
I worked hard. Yo, I helped put this whole shed together.
Yeah, you did. Actually, you put it together by yourself. I was just sitting
Say
there
it. What did you say? What did I do?
I said you put it together by yourself.
Thank you very much for confirming, sir. I appreciate that.